My staff prepares the preference of buddy. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Dad, tell the lightning round comes. Let's start with Mike in California. Mike.
Booyah, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course,
Jim,
Mike. What's shaking?
What are your thoughts on Robinhood?
All right, Robinhood's had an extraordinary move. And usually when you have these extraordinary moves, you got to let it kind of calm down a little. So I say let it calm down, but don't forget, it's an up stock. Let's go to Ike in Georgia. Ike.
Booyah, Jim.
Extraordinary booyah to start the day. What's going on?
Not much, man. I called you in September 2023 when Palantir was trading at $13, and you say you are Mr. Palantir. I ended it with Rudy McFadden. That was a monster call. Thank you for all you do.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much.
Today, I want to know your take on a company that's been delivering strong financial results, benefiting from infrastructure spending, grid modernization, and growing demand for electrical equipment in energy and industrial projects. The company I want you to tell me what you take on today is Powell Industries.
Oh, man, you know, this guy, Ike be the man. This thing is such a great stock. I saw it. It is the great industrial energy infrastructure stock that I wish I owned for the trust. Wow, great call. Let's go to Jordan in New York. Jordan.
Hi, Jim. This name is trading at less than 15 times next year's earnings, a discount to its peers, and has long-term growth tailwinds in the private credit space, 401ks, and global investments. In my opinion, the analysts on the street are hugely underestimating its upside potential. In this market, would you recommend buying Apollo?
You just sold me on Apollo. I love the case. This is a guy. Listen to that guy. He knows more than all the Wall Street guys put together. I think Apollo's a cheap stock. I think this guy, Mark Rowan, I invite him on the show. He wants to come on the show. I'm on the show. This company is a very smart company. I am a believer. I'm a believer. Let's go to Kenny in Florida. Kenny.
Hello, Jim. Welcome back, and thank you for all you've done for us home gamers
thank
over
you,
the
Ben.
decades.
Thank you.
This stock involves LiDAR and navigation systems, and now with autonomous vehicles and robots, I have high hopes. My small position has not increased over the past few years and until this year. And the stock, while not yet profitable, has 34% year-over-year revenue growth, a strong balance sheet, and virtually no debt. The stock has quadrupled over the past 5 months, non-parabolically, as oxymoron actually that seems. What's your opinion on Ouster?
Yeah, look, it's a LiDAR play, and I've been historically against LiDAR. I think it's a very expensive stock. It is fine as a spec, but when I talk about autonomous, you know I always come back once again to Tesla, and I always will. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round!
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, Intel warned of adverse reactions to the White House's deal for a stake in the company. But Cramer's taking the opposite side of the argument. Hear why next.
Booyah, Jim. Your integrity makes you the booyah saint of Wall Street. Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, Jim.
Quadruple. That's a lot of booyahs.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.